Hi student, look, we have discussed our topic polynomials. In our last classes, we have discussed about basic concept. We have discussed about its definition of polynomial. Then we have discussed about linear polynomials and quadratic polynomials and cubic polynomials. Then we have discussed about its shapes, and then a little bit discussion about zeros of a polynomial. Then after that, we are going to be discuss about the relationship between zeros of a polynomial and coefficient of a polynomial. In today's class, again we are here with our here today in today class we are going to discuss that whenever we have a given zeros polynomial, then how can we form a quadratic polynomial there. Then in the case whenever we have a given we are going to discuss about a quadratic polynomial. So suppose we have a given two zeros alpha and beta, okay, and we have a form a quadratic polynomial there. Then we are going to form a quadratic polynomial as k x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Okay, look beta, we have a whenever we have given two zeros of polynomial alpha and beta, and to form a quadratic polynomials we use k times x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. In other words, we can also write down k x square minus sum of zeros plus product of zeros. Okay, then we can also write down it's k times where our k is any real number. K is any real number, and generally the value of k is 1. We have taken the value of k is 1 there. Okay, ठीक. Then look बेटा, हमने क्या डिस्कशन किया कि हम अगर हमारे पास जीरोज है, टू जीरोज हैं क्वाड्रिक पॉलिनोमियल्स के, हमें क्वाड्रिक पॉलिनोमियल्स फॉर्म करनी है, तो जनरली वी यूज द कॉन्सेप्ट k टाइम्स x स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा इंटू x प्लस अल्फा बीटा. We have alpha and beta, two zeros of quadratic polynomials. Also we can say that x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Then now after this discussion, we are going to discuss some little bit concept about our cubic polynomials. Cubic के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं. Then कुछ questions लगाएंगे related with quadratic polynomials. In last class, we have discussed our relationship between zeros of a quadratic polynomial and its coefficient. In today's class, we are going to see that what is the relationship between the zeros of a cubic polynomial and its coefficient. So suppose we have a quadratic polynomial. Is px is given as sum ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, conditioning that a not equal to 0. Look, we have this is our cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now look, we are going to want a relationship between zeros of a polynomial and coefficient of a cubic polynomial. Then so suppose we have three zeros, it's alpha, beta and gamma, means sum of zeros. Then our sum of zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. What is the meaning of minus b by a? Minus coefficient. What is b our? Yeah, it's our coefficient of x square to the coefficient of x cube. Okay बेटा, the first relationship हमारी होगी it's sum of zeros. Our sum of zeros is given by alpha plus beta plus gamma is given by minus b by a, means coefficient of x squared to the coefficient of x cube. Then we have second is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is given by c by a, where our c is what? Coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube. Now look, what is this alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha? It is a sum of the product of zeros taken two at a time. It is the sum of the product of zeros taken two at a time. Alpha beta plus beta gamma alpha is given by C by A, where C is our coefficient of x and A is coefficient of x cube. Then this is our first relationship. This is second, and third one is our product of zeros, alpha, beta and gamma. It's given by minus d by a. What is our d? D is constant term. Again, a is our coefficient of x cube. Look beta, ठीक. Now look. ये हमने क्या देखा रिलेशनशिप वहाँ पे हमने आज की अभी क्लास में क्या डिस्कशन किया. जो हमारी डिस्कशन है इट्स होल अबाउट अ रिलेशनशिप ऑफ zeros of a cubic polynomial to its coefficient. Then we have in cubic polynomials we have three zeros, alpha, beta and gamma. Then sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is given by equal to minus b by a equal to minus coefficient of x square to the coefficient of x cube. Then our second relationship is that sum of product of zero taken two at a time, alpha beta plus gamma alpha equal to c by a, means is equal to coefficient of x to the coefficient of x cube. Then we have product of zeros alpha into beta into gamma is given by minus d by a, means minus constant term to the coefficient of x cube. ठीक बेटा. देन लोग अगर ये तो हमारी डिस्कशन थी जो हम रिलेशनशिप हमारी जीरोस और कोफिशिएंट के बीच क्या रिलेशनशिप होगा. जो सपोज कि हमें फॉर्म करनी हो, जैसे हमें वहाँ पे हमने फॉर्म किया बॉडी इक्वेशन. अगर हमारे पास अल्फा बीटा गामा गिवन हो और हमें इक्वेशन फॉर्म करना हो, क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म करना हो, तो वो भी हम कर सकते हैं. इफ वी हैव गिवन अल्फा बीटा एंड गामा एंड वी हैव टू फॉर्म अ क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल, देन वी कैन आल्सो फॉर्म अ क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल्स. आप क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल कोई फॉर्म वहाँ पे फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. इट्स गिवन बाय, ठीक वैसे कोफिशिएंट के साथ राइट डाउन एक्स क्यूब माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर विद माइनस साइन, माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर, देन प्लस अल्फा बीटा गामा प्लस गामा अल्फा इंटू एक्स and minus alpha beta and gamma, minus alpha beta and gamma. Okay, then this is our, whenever we have given three zeros alpha beta gamma, then we can also form a cubic polynomial as a polynomial is given by x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma, means also we can say that x cube minus sum of zeros into x square plus sum of product of zero taken two at a time minus product of all three zeros. Okay, तो ये थी हमारी डिस्कशन जीरोस के साथ, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ जीरोस और उसके साथ कुछ क्वेश्चंस को फॉर्म करते हुए कुछ बेसिक्स आइडेंटिटी भी आपको याद रखनी है. वहाँ पे कभी कभी आपको वहाँ पे कन्वर्जन, तो यहाँ पे इस चैप्टर में आप जनरली कुछ बेसिक्स आइडेंटिटी याद रखिए. फॉर एग्जांपल आपको अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर की वैल्यू पता करनी हो. Now we can get our alpha square plus beta square by using the concept alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. And if we want to find out the values of alpha cube plus beta cube, then we can use the concept. If you want to find out alpha cube plus beta cube, then we can say that it's a alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 times alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta. तो कुछ आइडेंटिटीज को भी आपको माइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. नाउ लुक, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड विद आवर क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल्स. क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल्स जुड़े कुछ क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं अभी. जस्ट सपोज we start with one of the board problem. If the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, if the sum of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial ky square plus 2y ky square plus 2y minus 3k is equal to twice their product, find the value of k. If the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is equal to the twice their product, it's given that let's suppose we have zeros alpha and beta. Then what is given in the problem? We have given that alpha plus beta is equal to 2 times alpha beta. We have given there sum of zeros of quadratic polynomial is equal to twice the product. Find the value of k. We have to find the value of k here. We have given this. Now, what is our relationship? Sum of zeros is given by minus b by a. 2 times alpha into beta is c by a. Cancel out this a and a. Minus b is equal to 2c. Now look, we are going to be compare this equation by standard form ax square plus bx plus c. What do we see that the value of b is 2. We put it here 2, and value of look and value of c is minus 3k. We put here minus 3k, then 2 and 2 cancel, minus cancel, then 1 is equal to 3k. Then from here we get the value of k is 1 by 3. We get the value of k is 1 by 3. ठीक है बेटा, क्या था हमारे पास क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन गिवन थी और कंडीशन था कि जो उसका सम ऑफ जो उसके जीरोज हैं, जीरोज का सम है वो 2 टाइम्स है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द जीरोज. Then we start with alpha plus beta equal to 2 times alpha beta. We are going to we have relationship with coefficient. The sum of alpha plus beta is given by minus b by a equal to 2 times c by a. Then minus b equal to 2c. Then after solution we get the value of k is 1 by 3. If one root of the quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus p, 2x square minus 3x plus p is 3, it is given there. If the one root of the quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus p is 3, find the other root and also find the value of p. Find other root, we have to find out other root and also we have to find out the value of p. Now look, क्या करें आप, यहाँ पे जो गिवन है 2 square minus 3x plus p is 3. It is given that other root, one root is 3, we have to find out other root and p, we have to find out the value of p there. Now look, if we have a 2 zeros, alpha and beta, one of the zeros, suppose we have given the value of alpha is 3 and we have to find out the value of other root beta there. And we have the relationship alpha plus beta is given by minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Now look, alpha plus beta, we have given here alpha as we take alpha as a 3, we have to find out the value of beta. The value of b here, after comparing the value of minus b by a, we have b minus 3, then we get here 3 and the value of a is 2. Then from here we get the value of beta. After solving, the value of beta is given by 3 by 2 minus 3, then beta is 3 minus 6 by 2, then we get the value of beta is minus 3 by 2. Then we can say that our other root is what? The value of other root is minus 3 by 2 and also we have to find out the value of p there. Now look, we get alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Value of alpha is 3, value of beta we get there minus 3 by 2. We have a c as a p. Value of a is 2. Then from here we get the value of p minus 3 times into 3. We get the value of p as a 9. Minus 9. Then look, we get we have to find out the value of p and also we have to find out the other root there. Then क्या किया आपने बेटा, देखो हमारे पास इक्वेशन गिवन थी. We have the given quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus p. One of the root is given there 3, and we have to find out other root and we have also find out the value of p there. Then we are going to use our basic concept. Just suppose we take the value of alpha is 3 and other root is beta. Then sum of zeros alpha plus beta is given by minus b by a, minus b by n, and alpha into beta is c by a. Then the sum of zeros alpha plus beta minus b by a, putting the value of alpha is 3, we have to find the value of beta. minus b by a, the value of b is minus 3, minus minus plus 3, a is 2, 3 by 2. From solving it, we get the value of beta is 3 by 2 minus 3, we get 3 minus 6 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Alpha into beta c by a, putting the value of beta here, we get, and also the value of c and a, we get, after comparing, we get the value of c as a p and the value of a is 2. Then after solving this, we get the value of p as a minus 9. Look, let's take next question. Find the value of k such that the polynomial x square minus k plus 6 into x plus 2 times 2k minus 1 has sum of zeros equal to the half of their product. Sum of zeros is equal to the half of their product. Okay, beta? We take the zeros as alpha and beta, then it's given there sum of zeros is equal to the half of their product. Then now look, we have to find out what is there. Here we have to find out the k, value of k there. Then first of all, after comparing this with the standard form, we get here the value of a is 1, the value of b is minus k plus 6 and the value of c is 2 times 2k minus 1. Now look, what is alpha plus beta? From here we get minus b by a and alpha beta is c by a, means c, this is 2, c 2a, and this a and a cancel out, putting the value of b and c here, b is minus, then minus minus plus, means here we get k plus 6, the value of c is 2k minus 1 upon 2, then we are going to cancel out this 2, then we have k plus 6 equal to 2k minus 1. After solving this, 2k minus k and 6 plus 1 7, we get the value of k is 7. ठीक है बेटा, जस्ट वही स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से हमने जो भी वेरीफाइड कर रहे हैं वहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं हम, यूज़ कर रहे हैं किसका, जो हमारी जीरोज़ है और उनके जो रिलेशनशिप जीरोज़ है उसके कोफिशिएंट के बीच के, उसकी बेस पे हम ये सारे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, now in the next question, again it's a board problem. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, four x square plus 4x plus 1, then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. Whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. Look, we have given there, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, is 2 zeros alpha and beta are given there, we have formed a quadratic polynomial whose zeros is given as 2 alpha and 2 beta. Then to form this polynomial, the values of polynomial, it's a 2 alpha and 2 beta. What we have to do? First of all, we have to find out the values of alpha and beta from these equations. Now what we have, alpha plus beta is minus b by a, means we are going to find out minus b by a, this is our 4, then minus 4, a is our 4. Then from here we get the value of alpha plus beta is what? Minus 1. Alpha into beta c by a, our c is 1, a is then 1 by 4. Now look, from the relationship of zeros and coefficient, we have the sum of zeros is as minus 1 and product of zeros is as 1 by 4. Now look, but we have to find out the what? The equation of polynomial whose zeros is given as 2 alpha and 2 beta. Then we are going to form quadratic polynomial s square minus sum of zeros. Here we have 2 alpha and 2 beta, 2 alpha plus 2 beta into x plus product of zeros 2 alpha into 2 beta. Okay beta. Then x square, take out 2 common there, alpha plus beta, sorry, this our x here, plus 2 to 2 4 alpha and beta. Now look, we are going to put these values there, x square minus alpha plus beta. The value of alpha plus beta is minus 1, in this 2 times minus 2 minus minus plus 2, and this our x, 2x, 4 into alpha beta, 1 by 4 we get 1. Then our equation of a quadratic polynomial means our quadratic polynomial is given by x square plus 2x plus 1 with zeros are given as 2 alpha and 2 beta. ठीक है बेटा, ऐसे किसी प्रॉब्लम्स को हम इस तरीके से सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, तो ध्यान से देख लीजिएगा. ऐसे एक्चुअली इट्स अ बोर्ड प्रॉब्लम लास्ट आस्क इन 2015. तो आप इस तरह के भी क्वेश्चंस को घर बैठ कर सॉल्व करिए, सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस को फाइंड आउट करके सॉल्व करिएगा. ठीक है, चलिए अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. Find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial 7y square. We have given a polynomial, quadratic polynomial 7y square minus 11 by 3y minus, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 7y square minus 11 by 3y minus 2 by 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. Okay beta. Now look, we have to find out zeros of this polynomial from here, and also we have to verify the relationship between zeros of the polynomial and coefficient of polynomial. And first of all, we are going to be solve this. Then take out 1 by 3 common there. We are going to factorize it, and here we get it's a 21y square minus 11y minus 2. Okay, now ठीक है, बात सुना. हमने 1 by 3 या 3 से तो सपोज कि 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया वहाँ पे, पर यहाँ पे एक्चुअली मैंने क्या किया, कैल्शियम ले लिया 3 का. अब कोई समझिए यहाँ पे, और 3 को कॉमन ले लिया. देन वी गेट 3 7 21y square minus 11y minus 2. Now look, we have to find factorize of this quadratic polynomial 2 into 21 42. We have to find the factors of 42 such that its difference is, we have to see the difference sign there, its difference is equal to 11. ठीक है, look all, first of all कोई sign mistake ना हो. Okay बेटा, 7y square minus 11y minus 2 by 3. Okay, we have to find out the factors of 42 such that its difference is what? The difference of the zeros is what? Equal to the 11. Then it's a 14 and 3. 14 and 3. Then 1 by 3, 21y square minus 14y plus 3y. We are going to be split our middle term. After splitting middle term, taking pair it's, then we get, from here we are going to take out common 7y, then we have 3y minus 2, and plus 1 we have 3y minus 2. Look, 1 by 3, and we have the pair 7y plus 1 and 3y minus 2. Okay beta. Now to get 0, what we have to do? To get 0, we have to compare this both equal to 0. Then from here we get first 0 alpha. When we are going to coefficient this, because 1 by 3 cannot be 0, then we are going to coefficient this 7y plus 1. Then from here we get the value of alpha is what? Minus 1 by 7, and value of beta is what? 2 by 3. Now we get our two zeros alpha and beta as minus 1 by 7 and 2 by 3. Look, but we have to find out what? We have to find out the relationship between these zeros and coefficient. Okay. Then alpha plus beta, it must be equal to minus b by a. We have to verify this. We have to verify this alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. If you are going to verify alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, then look, what is the sum of this alpha and beta? When we are going to add this alpha plus beta, then we are going to add 7 3 21 minus 3 plus 14, it's 11 upon 21. Okay, then look, this is alpha plus beta is 11 21 minus b by a means minus b. From here we are going to compare our this values. This is our b, 11 by 3, minus minus means minus 11 by 3, and the value of a from here is 7. Then we get this is minus minus plus 11 and 3 7 21. Look, the value of minus b by a is equal to alpha plus beta, means we have verified that the sum of 0 is equal to the minus b by a. Now we are going to find a product of this alpha into beta here. Then we get it's a minus 2 upon 21. What is this if alpha into beta is given by c by a? What is the value of c here? Minus 2 by 3. The value of a is 7. After solving, we get minus 2 by 21. Means the value of this alpha into beta is equal to the c by a. Then look, we have verified our relationship between the zeros and its coefficient also there. चलिए क्वेश्चन और लगाते हैं. If the zeros of x square minus px plus 6 are in the ratio 2:3, then we have to find out the value of p there. If the zeros of x square minus px plus 6 are in the ratio 2:3, then we have to find out the value of p. Then we have given ratios, then means alpha by beta is equal to 2 by 3. Then from here we take alpha is equal to 2k and we get can take beta is equal to 3k. Okay बेटा. Then we are going to again, अभी हमें क्या करना है, हम सम ऑफ जीरोज और कोफिशिएंट की रिलेशनशिप है उसको यूज करते हैं. Then now sum of zeros alpha plus beta is what? We have to find the value of p there. Then alpha plus beta is minus b by a, minus b, the value of b is p, then it's a p and a is here 1. Alpha plus beta means 2k plus 3k, means we get 5k is equal to p. Take this one. Also we have alpha into beta is equal to c by a, the value of c is 6, a is 1, alpha into beta means 2k into 3k, we get 6k square is 6. Then from k square equal to 1, here we get the value of k is what? Plus minus 1. And here we have p is equal to 5k. Then the value of p is what? Plus minus 5. Okay beta? Then value of p is what? Plus minus 5. तो look student, आज की क्लास में हमने क्या किया? हमने आज की क्लास में डिस्कशन की, इट्स मोस्टली अबाउट जब हमने लास्ट क्लास में देखा था कि जो रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन जीरोज एंड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल्स, उनके बेस पर हमने क्वेश्चंस लगाए. तो उसके बाद हमने डिस्कशन भी किया क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल्स का कि अगर उसके जीरोज गिवन हो अल्फा बीटा एंड गामा, देन हाउ कैन वी फॉर्म्स आवर क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल एज वेल एज उनके बीच की रिलेशनशिप भी देखी. मीन्स अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा इज गिवन बाई इक्वल टू माइनस बी बाई ए. Then we have taken sum of product of 0 taken 2 at a time, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma into alpha equal to c by a. Then also we have seen the product of zeros, alpha into beta into gamma is given by minus d by a. Then हमने देखा कि अगर हमारे पास क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल्स के जीरोस गिवन है तो हम क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल्स को भी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. इज गिवन बाई एक्स क्यूब माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा इंटू एक्स प्लस अल्फा बीटा प्लस बीटा गामा प्लस गामा अल्फा सॉरी इट्स नॉट x, it's x square, then plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x and minus alpha into beta into gamma. then तो अब कुछ रिसर्च क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे, ठीक है. देन थैंक्स टू ऑल.